hungry.
You don't know? It's like the most famous commercial on TV.
Really?
It's the fried nugget risoles. You don't know?
No. Can we get some?
Okay, sure. I'll just hold on.
Risoles delivery.
Hi, can we order like 2 pieces of fried nugget risoles, please?
Yeah, sure. We'll be there in 1.
Hold on. They'll be here in a second.
Knock knock.
Oh, hey, there it is. That's right.
Try it. It's real good.
Trust me.
So good.
It's really good. Wow.
Told you. Since you've eaten it, we should maybe play the song together.
Yeah, sure. Let's go.
Let's try it.
And Kobe Bryant says,
It's good.